I am Subramania Bharati. I am a poet and freedom fighter of in Tamil Nadu. I was born in a village called Yettapuram, Tirunelveli district. I started writing poems at age of 7. My poems are patriotic and it is all about gender equality and women empowerment. I worked as a teacher. Then I became the assistant editor of the Swadesha Mitra newspaper in 2004. I also met Mahatma Gandhi in 2019. I worked with many Tamil leaders like V.O. Sidamaram and Subramani Siva. My poems Vande Madaram, Achamillai, Yandayum Thayum and Jayamaradam motivated people to join the freedom struggle movement. Thank you.